Hey you guys, it's your girl Yummy D. I know you guys missed me. I am back with another video. This video is an informative one, as you guys can tell by the title. We're going to learn how to do a classic set, which is very important to learn for your lash career because it teaches you placement, direction, isolation, and so on. Before we get started with everything, I do want to share with you some of the products I got from a company, Forabeli Beauty, that I'll be using in this video. First thing I'm showing you guys is their lash shampoo that comes with a brush that you can use to wash a client's lashes, or you can sell to them as an aftercare kit. Then I have their Rose Lash Primer, which comes in two sizes, 50mm and 15mm. This is their 50mm bottle, which is what you use before you start lashing your clients. I also love the fact that it's a spray. I think that's very different. Usually you just have to dip your micro swab in the other primers, but this one's a spray, so I think that was like pretty cute. Next up is their Max Solution, which is like their bonder, and it's what you use after you finish your sets to help speed up the glue's drying time. This one comes with like a little brush, but please be sanitary for your clients and do not use this brush on all of your clients. Use something that's disposable. Do not use the brush that's in this for all your clients. That's unsanitary, please. Next up is the Showstoppers. These glues, I tried the black glue the other day to do one of my clients' sets, and I love it. If you're looking for a glue, try this one out, please. It has a thin velocity, which means it's not as thick. It's a little runny, and I kind of like that because it definitely helps you have less stickies, and it's a quick drying time. So if you're looking for a glue, definitely try this glue out. And the other glue is a clear glue, which is perfect if you're doing color sets. And then we have their pink gel remover. If you're still using cream remover, girl, you need to try gel remover. I feel like it's honestly works better than cream remover, and it's like less messy, and then it doesn't burn your client's eyes. So definitely try gel removers. You'll thank me later. Last thing I got is their classic cashmere lashes, which are available in 3 curls, C, CC, and D, and in 0.10, 0.15, and 0.20 thickness, and in the length from 8mm to 15mm. They are super soft and dark, so you'll be able to achieve a beautiful classic set for your clients, which is definitely what you're looking for in trades. So let's get started on these classic sets. Remember, a classic set is one-on-one, which means one single lash extensions onto one natural lash. When you pick up your lash extensions, you want to dip about 2mm into your glue. I like to slide the extensions onto the natural lash so I'm sure the bottom of the extension is attached, so it doesn't pop off. You want to make sure the bottom of the extension is not poking out, because if it does, you're gonna have horrible retention. Next important thing I want to touch on is the direction of your extension. You always want it to be facing up, and if it's not, you can just adjust it by using your tweezers to make sure it is facing up. For example, that's what I'm doing right here. If the extensions are facing sideways or going in crazy directions, your sets are going to look crazy. So pay attention to how your extensions are facing. I wanna make you feel the way though, so that's true. I'll take it. Just tell me it can't be that crazy, even if it is that crazy. Another tip I want to give you is don't work in the same area. You could jump from eye to eye or inner corner to outer corner to middle, because it will help you get less stickies. Save it, don't waste your time, cause I'm wavy, and I'm saying things that I don't mean, that I do mean, and I don't want you to miss me, cause there's no way you're sorry, and you're trying, you're saying things that I do believe, but I don't even. This is the final look. I did a cat eye. As you guys can see, the extensions are facing up. Everything is properly isolated. There's no stickies. Try out the tips I gave you and comment down below if it worked out for you. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.